अब शुरू करते हैं आज का प्रोग्राम। आज के ऑथर के साथ डिस्कशन शुरू करते हैं। इससे पहले कि हम अपनी चर्चा शुरू करें, उनका एक क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ ताकि आप उनके साथ इजीली कनेक्ट कर पाएं। सो जो ऑथर आज हमसे जुड़ रही हैं, शी इज फ्रॉम कोचीन, केरला। शी इज क्वालिफाइड थेरेप्यूटिक इंजीनियर. Her motto is to build a mindful society. She is known as optimal life designer. She is a psychologist, early years educator, corporate trainer, mindfulness coach and entrepreneur. So without any further delay, मैं मिलवाना चाहूंगी, इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी हमारे आज के ऑथर को, जिनका नाम है नाज़ीन हसीब।
हेलो।
हाय
हाय
नाज़ीन।
सोनी। हाय।
तो गुड इवनिंग नाज़ीन, कैसे हैं आप?
Very good, very good. Feeling fantabulous being here. Thank you for welcoming me here, and it's a warm welcome. Yeah.
वेलकम टू मेरी किताब मेरी कहानी सीजन 6। और हमें ये पूरी उम्मीद है कि आज के सेशन में जो टॉपिक आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आपके साथ, आपका पर्सपेक्टिव जानेंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि बहुत से लोग जो हमें भी सुन रहे हैं उनका भी पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो। ऑलराइट, तो नाज़ीन, सबसे पहले आप अपने बारे में बताइए। आपकी फैमिली में कौन कौन है, आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं, बैकग्राउंड क्या है आपका और आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं?
Well, I'm from Cochin, Kerala, and we have it's a small family, me, father, my siblings, and all. And my hobbies are creative work. So writing is also a hobby for me. I do write little scribbles and other, basically artwork. That's what my hobbies are on. Yeah.
ऑलराइट, नाज़ीन, क्योंकि आप एक ऑथर हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ यू आर एन ऑथर, आप रीडिंग और राइटिंग में ऑब्वियसली इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं, आप कोशिश करते हैं लिखने का, काफ़ी बुक्स पढ़ते हैं। रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग ने आपकी लाइफ को कितना इम्पैक्ट किया है, कितना चेंज किया है? प्लीज शेयर कीजिए अपना एक्सपीरियंस।
Well, when you say reading and writing, according to neuroscience, it is more of how your body is functioning, how well you're coordinating your musculars, and all that come into picture. But for me, when you say reading and writing, it's more of an art and skill. To use pun language, to play with all the linguistics. It's a skill. It's not merely possible, so we need to have that creative mindset more than the logical reasoning to do all the writing and reading and how to comprehend. When you get a word or get a context, how to comprehend and articulate, this is all a skill. So this is my perspective on reading and writing. It's an art and skill.
ऑलराइट, नाज़ीन, हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट योर राइटिंग जर्नी?
My writing journey started precisely from very young age, school days and college time. Magazines and school magazines, and they would encourage us. Teachers would encourage us to write an article for the magazine, and that's how I started. Then only I knew that I can use language very artistically, using metaphors and simile. It's a creative. It makes me just involved in it. Biggest inspiration would be the Hugo Saki, who is a creative writer. I love his plays. I love his short stories and poems. It's been always, an inspiration actually. So that's the starting of my journey of writing. And eventually, when I came to my master's degree and started doing my coaching, training, counseling, I always encountered many questions. And to answer them all, I thought, let me write a book and answer all these questions. And that's how this thought came into mind of Mind Matters.
Right, right. So Naज़ीन, who motivated you
Yeah.
throughout this journey?
My motivation throughout the journey, definitely, there are many. It's not one person. Let me start with the family. It's my father, first of all. He was the one who was behind my back and go for the book, complete the book. Then my siblings and always support, especially my coaches and trainees. They were like, what is that you want to add on? We will give you all the ideas and different. And I started talking to people, discussing with people my book. So every time I spoke to every person, they would inspire me with some insights, and this I have added in the book. And my book is all about everybody's contribution. It's not one sole person.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। सो फ्रेंड्स, अब समय आ गया है कि हम नाज़रीन के किताब के साथी से बातचीत करें और उनका भी एक्सपीरियंस जानें इस जर्नी को लेकर। सो मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी गीतांजलि को। हाय गीतांजलि, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
आई एम
Very
ऑल्सो
nice
गुड।
to see you.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड वेलकम टू दिस प्रोग्राम। हम नाज़रीन से बात कर रहे हैं एंड शी इज सेइंग कि फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स सभी का कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है उनकी इस जर्नी में। सो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा इस जर्नी के बारे में? आप क्या कहेंगे इनकी बुक को लेकर के?
पहले तो मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करूंगी कि आज इस मुकाम पे इस चैनल पर इनके बारे में बातचीत की जा रही है। शी रियली डिजर्व्स इट। इनकी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी रही है। जैसे आपने पहले इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया नाज़ीन के बारे में कि शी इज ऑल्सो एन ऑथर, शी इज ऑल्सो एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट। सो हमारी एक्चुअली मुलाकात एक वुमेन स्टार्टअप प्रोग्राम IIM बैंगलोर के द्वारा हुई थी
ओके।
एंड हम इंटरेक्शंस काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहे एंड इट्स दैट व्हेन मुझे पता चला कि वो कितनी डीपली अपने सब्जेक्ट में इन्वॉल्व हैं। अभी उन्होंने बताया कि वो काफी लोगों से मिलते हैं। सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ना, बिकॉज शी इज राइटिंग अबाउट माइंड मैटर्स, न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी, ये सब ये सारे टॉपिक्स जो हैं इट्स रिलेटेड टू ह्यूमंस। तो टॉकिंग टू सो पीपल, इनको बहुत सारे इंसाइट्स मिले हैं एंड शी इज रियली वर्क वेरी हार्ड एट इट। तो एक बहुत ही पैशन और डेडिकेशन के साथ इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी सी किताब लिखी है विच आई थिंक विल इंस्पायर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड काफी डिफिकल्ट कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं बट बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किए गए हैं। इट्स अ वंडरफुल बुक, इट्स अ ग्रेट कंट्रीब्यूशन टू ऑल ऑफ अस। हमें जरूर पढ़नी चाहिए। इट्स शी इज अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग इंडिविजुअल एंड वो दिख रहा है किताब में। सो आई एम वेरी
जी।
हैप्पी एंड आई वुड लाइक टू कांग्रेचुलेट नाज़ीन ऑन दिस।
सो गीतांजलि, एक क्वालिटी आप कौन सी बताएंगे जो आप बहुत एडमायर करते हैं नाज़रीन के बारे में?
जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया, इनकी रिसर्च बहुत अच्छी रही है, इनकी ह्यूमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छी है और इनकी मेहनत है जो इन्होंने हर एस्पेक्ट को ध्यान में रखते हुए। सो इट्स अ गुड मिक्स ऑफ इनका जो एजुकेशन रहा है प्लस इनका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, ये बहुत अच्छा मिक्स है। इट्स अ गुड मैरिज ऑफ एविडेंस एंड एक्सपीरियंस जो मिला के इन्होंने ये किताब लिखी है। सो दिस इज रियली वंडरफुल अबाउट हर।
राइट, राइट। गीतांजलि, एनी मैसेज और एनी विशेस यू वांट टू कन्वे फ्रॉम दिस प्लेटफॉर्म?
So I think it's a wonderful job that you're doing. It's a lovely concept about bringing different books. I shall definitely follow. And I would like to tell all the viewers to please go ahead and grab this copy. Also, you can see a lot of videos of Nazeen on YouTube, which also will guide them in understanding this particular subject. So that's the message.
थैंक यू सो मच गीतांजलि, हमसे जुड़ने के लिए, हमसे बात करने के लिए। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
So now, Nazin, please let us know about your book's title, your book's theme, everything.
Well, book is Mind Matters, and the subtitle is on the first. It's a first breakthrough on how you choose a choice. It's about the psychology on decision making. So each chapter is in depth explaining to you why we choose a decision, why we are focused, or why we are forced to take a choice. All this is explained in every chapter, and coming to the last chapter, neurobics, which is to enhance our neuroplasticity, which will help you to be more flexible in life, which will help you to be adaptable in life, so that you can grow out of your boundaries and think about a beautiful future. So this is my absolute this is my giveaway to society, how you can build your beautiful future. Yeah.
बिल्कुल। फ्रेंड्स, हम बात कर रहे हैं नाज़िन हसीब से इनकी बुक माइंड मैटर्स के बारे में, और इसके बारे में हम अभी डिस्कशन जस्ट हमने शुरू किया है और भी बहुत कुछ जानेंगे इस बुक को लेकर। तो अगर आपका कोई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड या आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई डाउट है, तो चैट बॉक्स आपके लिए कंप्लीटली ओपन है। आप वहाँ पर आइए, हमें ज्वाइन कीजिए और यहाँ पर अपना क्वेश्चन आप पुट कीजिए। नाज़िन उसका ज़रूर आपको आंसर देगी। ओके, सो नाउ नाज़िन, सबसे पहले एक पॉइंट है आपकी बुक का। एट द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट, आई रियली वांट यू टू डिस्क्राइब द आइसबर्ग डायग्राम जो आपकी बुक में है ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस। उसको प्लीज थोड़ा डिस्क्राइब करके बताइए कि वो डायग्राम किस बारे में है।
Okay. Well, psychologically speaking, or who all know come from the psychology, they know about the iceberg diagram. For the layman to understand, it's a metaphorical representation of mind, which was contributed by Sigmund Freud. He explains the mind in three levels: the conscious, preconscious, and subconscious. So that all our memories, to explain in better way, I will say, when you travel from home to office, you'll come across a lot of activities. But still, when you at a certain, when you ask you to recollect, might be two factors would come into light. Might be a traffic signal or a person standing next to you. But when you're given a moment to think more and recollect the incident from traveling from home to office, there will be more activities that you can recollect. This is from the preconscious mind. Again, when you sit for a while and recollect, you can a lot of memories come to. Okay, you will think about what the food you had from home, what else all activities happened. There may be 10 activities that will come across. This is from your subconscious mind again. Might be a lot more deeper you have memories. But this is what is explained through iceberg diagram: the conscious mind, the preconscious mind, and the subconscious mind. Yeah.
ओके एंड आपने अपनी बुक में, क्योंकि बुक का टाइटल ही है माइंड मैटर्स, सो सबसे पहले हम माइंड के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे कि माइंड क्या है, उसका नेचर क्या है, व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ माइंड?
Okay, mind is very much intangible. You cannot locate mind. And mind is a resource of emotions, resilience, your thoughts, your learned behavior. It's a big basket of all these collections. So when you are asked to define mind, metaphorically, I would say it's a intricate fabric of all our human emotions, which is constructed sophisticatedly. That's what my definition of metaphorically be. This is that you all have learned behavior, and it's from that learned behavior, consciously, unconsciously, you behave at a situation. That's called a dispose of action. So this is what where our mind is making us to do things and decide. From all this is from the experience. Yes.
ओके,
And
तो आपका कहना है कि जो माइंड हमारा है वो इमोशंस का एक इमोशंस का ग्रुप मान लीजिए, जो जिसको हम लोकेट नहीं कर सकते, बट इमोशंस हमारे माइंड में है एंड वो मैटर करता है, वो काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें सोचता है, इमोशंस है और बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे माइंड को माइंडफुल बनाने के लिए। और इससे आगे बढ़ते हुए फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपसे भी जानना चाहूँगी कि आप क्या सोचते हैं कि जो हमारा माइंड है, जैसा कि नाज़ी ने बताया कि आइसबर्ग डायग्राम के थ्रू बताया कि हमारा माइंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, अनकॉन्शियस माइंड में क्लासिफाइड है। आप क्या सोचते हैं इस बारे में कि कितना अफेक्ट डालता है या इन चीज़ों का कितना असर होता है हमारे माइंड पर? तो प्लीज़ चैट बॉक्स के थ्रू आप हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं और इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप या अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आप हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। नाज़िन, आगे बढ़ते हुए कुछ फैक्टर्स मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी। व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स डू इन्फ्लुएंस आवर डिसीजन मेकिंग कॉन्सेप्ट? इसके बारे में बताइए।
okay. Well, our decisions, from my perspective, from my learning experience and talking to people, what I understand is we have three phases of decision making. One is the IQ, one is the EQ, and one is the AQ. That is the intelligent quotient, emotional quotient, and adaptive quotient. Emotional quotient is that when your emotions are high, it might be a desire you need to satisfy. Might be you need an ice cream from a shop, and you are just, your child in you just want to go and get it. That is the emotions. So when emotionally bound, you make a decision. When intelligent quotient is come, where you use a logical reasoning, that is, you think for a while, should I go and get the ice cream? You think for a while and sit for a while and think, okay, this is intelligent quotient. That's a logical reasoning come into play. Now coming to adaptive quotient, that is when, let us take the situation of Corona. When COVID came, we had to adapt ourselves to lockdown and digital era, which never had come across and never learned about. We had to adapt, and we had to take immunize ourselves. We had to take vaccines, and people who were agreeing to take that dare step to risk yourself to go for vaccines, they have survived the struggle. Others have perished who have, you didn't have the immunity. So that adaptability is all about the mindset, how well you are, how that's called the warrior mindset, where you can, we are making yourself to grow beyond the boundaries and take the risk and adapt to survive. So this adaptive quotient is more it is applicable in life more than EQ and IQ. When you're high in AQ, this is the best way to take a decision in life. That's my perspective. Yeah.
ओके, राइट, राइट। नाज़िन, हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन आया है आपके लिए। क्वेश्चन है, वुड यू से दैट वी आर गाइडेड बाय आवर पेरेंट्स ओपिनियन व्हिच वी हैव कैरिड इनटू अडल्टहुड?
Guided by parents' opinion that we have.
Carried into adulthood.
Well, learning process might be like, as in, you have particular situations are there where you are nurtured in that way. That's called the nurturing, and nurturing manner is there. So when you come with a similar situation in life, you will think about your past. Okay, this is what my parents did, and let me go with it. This is because this is, you are in a comfort zone. This is what we had to break. If you're still living in the comfort zone, the joyful belt, you will go nowhere rather than following your father's footsteps or mother's footsteps. It won't be your identity, it won't be your personal choice. It will be some learned behavior. That's all I want to contribute. It's all from coming from your past experience. Yeah.
So Nazin, जैसा आपने बताया comfort zone. So let's talk about comfort zone. How do comfort zones influence personal growth and development?
Comfort zone is as I said earlier, it's a joyful belt. Your body, your mind is in equilibrium. There's no disturbance, no distress. You're happy going. So you are like, okay, I'm comfortable in the zone. Let me just go like this. But once you think you need to grow beyond this, I need to break all this, break all the glass ceilings, or that's what the word is, break all the boundaries. Then you had to grow beyond this. This is what your breaking the comfort zone is. So comfort zone, ideally, people are enjoying an equilibrium in life. They're comfortable. This is called a joyful belt. That is very danger. Please grow out of it so you can be more flexible and more. You will evolve and develop in life. Yeah.
So what kind of steps should we take to overcome from this comfort zone feeling? किस तरह के steps लेने चाहिए?
Comfort zone, as I said, it's from a learned behavior. You have a pattern. To break it, it's not easy. Let me put this as an example here. When we all have studied mathematics in school, we had a traditional way of doing arithmetics. Now we have Vedic maths, we have Chinese maths, we have the competitive exam maths, which is more easier way to tackle solutions. But still, we will go to be back to our school life and use some old technique of using arithmetics. This is called a learned behavior. You are in comfort zone. To break it, you need to challenge yourself here. You need to rewire yourself, unlearn all that you have learned, and restructure yourself, develop a new neuron pathway, practice more, put a mindset in you that I'll be able to adapt, I'll be able to learn, I'll be able to confront all the situations. This is the mindset you need. That's called the warrior mindset. You will fight for it, you'll face it, and then the world is yours. So this is what I can share with you. Yeah.
आई थिंक डिसिप्लिन एक अगर आप लेके आते हैं, उसके लिए एक डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन रखते हैं, तो आप कंफर्ट जोन से ज्यादा अच्छे से निकल पाएंगे, और एक कंफर्ट जोन से निकल के आप ग्रोथ ज्यादा अच्छे से कर पाएंगे, ज्यादा आपकी ग्रोथ की स्पीड अच्छी होगी, क्योंकि कंफर्ट जोन में रहते रहते हमारा जो ग्रोथ का जो मीटर है वो वहीं के वहीं रह जाता है, तो हम वो ग्रो नहीं कर पाते. तो फ्रेंड्स, जरूरी है कि आप कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकले. इसका एक बहुत ही बढ़िया एग्जांपल मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगी. जैसे नाज़िन, हम बुक राइटिंग की बात करें, लोग सोचते हैं बुक राइटिंग करनी है, बट वो कंफर्ट जोन में, क्योंकि उसके लिए एफर्ट करना होगा, रिसर्च करनी होगी. बट अगर आप कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलेंगे तो आप देखिए, आपके पास एक ऑथर बनने की बहुत ही बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी होगी. आप इससे बाहर निकलेंगे, आप लिखना शुरू करेंगे, रिसर्च करेंगे, आपके नॉलेज में बढ़ोतरी होगी, इसके साथ साथ में आप एक ऑथर भी बनेंगे, एक अथॉरिटी आपके पास आएगी. सो कंफर्ट जोन से हर एक एरिया में आप बाहर निकलिए, ताकि आप अपनी लाइफ को और भी ग्रो कर सकें. ऑलराइट. सो नाज़िन, आपने न्यूरोबिक्स के बारे में बात की. मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि इसकी प्रैक्टिस क्यों जरूरी है. पहले तो बताइए न्यूरोबिक्स है क्या और इसकी प्रैक्टिस क्यों करनी है हमें.
All right. Neurobics is basically, it's an exercise for your neuroplasticity. That is, we say it is an amalgamation of neurons and aerobics. That is, you're making the neurobics a dance. It is finding a new pathway. Let me put this an example. We all brush our teeth normally standing in front of the mirror. Try dancing and doing a brushing your teeth, or having your food blindfolded. to experience the whole taste, blindfolded, so that you sit in front of the food, you knowing nothing about it. And first you texture, you feel the texture of it. Okay, this is what it is. Then you olfactory, you smell it. Okay, this is what it is. Then you put it in mouth and okay, find the taste. Okay, is it resembling anything? Then you find it. This is called neuroplasticity. You are using all your senses to experience and anything, be it anything. If you are talking to your sibling, if you fight and talk, this is going to be always your pattern. But if you are putting in a little bit music in that fight, next time that music will remind you, okay, I keep fighting with my sibling with when you're reminded with the song. So this is the association you have with neurons. Psychology is basically on association. So you know that neuroplasticity help you break that association and develop a new pathway. This will help in all activities, either at workplace, your relationship with your siblings, your partner, or be it with studies. Children, when they study, if they can put little slight music and study their boring subject like history, this will make them help not think look at it at a very boring subject anymore.
Right.
Likewise, yeah. So neuroplasticity is basically developing a new neuron pathway to look at a similar situation in a different perspective. Yeah.
All
And
right.
this also enhance in adaptive quotient, how to adapt a situation. You don't become rigid in mindset. You are flexible. You know a solution. It's not a learned behavior. You always find a solution to move forward. You're not stuck anywhere in life. This is what neuroplasticity does to you. Yeah.
और आपने जैसे बताया कि अगर अडेप्टेबिलिटी क्वोशिएंट आपका बढ़ता है तो वही एक ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पर डिसीजन मेकिंग सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे से आप कर सकते हैं। तो अगर आप उसको
Correct.
इंक्रीज करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिक डिसीजन मेकिंग आपकी अच्छी हो जाएगी, राइट?
Correct. Yeah, well
All
said,
right.
well said.
So Nazin, so what are some creative ways to incorporate neurobic exercises into everyday activities?
Everyday activity is okay. Every day, as I said earlier, try brushing your teeth, dancing, or read a book to your loved ones with a little bit of aroma, music beside it, and read it out. Not just reading to yourself, read it out to
Okay.
whoever is your dear ones. This experience is different. This you can do it with your children also at bedtime stories. When you're doing bedtime stories, you can talk about all these durations. This is why we ask parents to do bedtime stories with children, so that association is built. And when the children go to school, then they listen to this words or any aroma or any particular city, they'll relate to, okay, this is what my mama said to me. This all relate association keeps coming in. So these are the small daily activities you can do. As I said earlier, again, try eating food blindfolded, or try walking across a room blindfolded with no obstacles, and tell me how it was. Without no guidance, just using all your senses, stepping mindfully, keeping all your step, and try it, experience, and tell me how it was. Yeah, these are
So-
little tips I can give you. Yeah.
नाजिन, आपने कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया है, जैसे आप ब्लाइंड फोल्ड की बात कर रहे हैं कि आप कुछ आसपास नहीं है,
Yeah.
आप कभी देखते हैं? किया है?
I tried.
Okay.
It's
So,
nice actually.
इसका क्या कनेक्शन रहता है, मतलब इसका क्या डीप कनेक्शन रहेगा? अगर मैं पर्टिकुलर इसकी बात करूं कि आप ब्लाइंड फोल्ड होके और फिर चलने की कोशिश कीजिए, इसका क्या कनेक्शन रहेगा?
Connection means, see, first of all, you are familiar with I did it my home. Okay, you're familiar with the place, but
Okay.
when you're open eye, you're not completely aware of the situation. You have your vision to see where you're stepping in. But once you're blindfolded, you start applying all your senses. You will use your tactile cells, where what it is there. You will blindfold, try without no help. I'm doing it. So I'll find my step. Each step I'm going to be careful. And once I reach the end of the room, I'm like, okay, I have bumped into furniture and all that, but still I try to make my sense. So I understand next time I walk, I know the position of the furniture. Next time I'll be careful. I done thrice or 5 times, blindfolded myself and walk across. And the first 2-3 attempts were failure, telling you I knocked down, but the 5th attempt was I could reach the other end of the room with not bumping into anything. Yeah.
ऑलराइट, दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग रियली। मैं खुद ट्राई करना चाहूंगी नाज़िन इस एग्जांपल को, और ट्राई करेंगे जो घर में किड्स हैं उनके लिए भी एक फन एक्टिविटी हो जाती है, साथ साथ में एक लर्निंग हो जाती है
Yeah,
कि आप इसको करेंगे तो।
correct. You know, Helen Keller, she used to, when she came to know she's using all her senses, she used to use this technique to understand the nature, using all her senses. So these all inspirations for me to, to neurobics. Yeah.
ओके, नाज़िन इस बुक के लिए आपको कितना रिसर्च करना पड़ा? कहाँ से आपने रिसर्च किया इसके बारे में?
Research, okay. I have taken while doing sessions and all that. So I came across this topic that discussed with these people. And as you asked me, I have asked people how was it applying in life is, how are the techniques to use, even gratitude giving in community. That is also another neurobic exercise. When you are concluding the session, we give gratitude. So that is all kind of. So next time you associate with a program, like, "Oh, these people are gratitude to me, these people have appraised me." This is enhancing your self-esteem, and it will encourage you to do more in the next webinars and next sessions. So again, researchers, what I've done is through the books, with my professors and with my clients, I have tried to learn from them through experience, asking them to do that in life and how they have been. As you said, let me try it and see and tell you how it was. So these all were my research, and so much I have done for this. It's not just, I cannot quote in 2-3 lines here. It's so much research,
राइट,
so much of work. It's been almost 1.5, 6 months, or I don't know, 1+ years. I had worked on this neurobics, finding out how well it is good to adapt in your life, and to exactly to improvise adaptability quotient. Always the question is that we are stuck with a decision, we are not able to flexibly adapt to any situation most of the time. So for this, when you think about it, so the perspective have to widen. Or for this, neuroplasticity and neurobics will help you a lot. Yeah.
एब्सोल्युटली। नाज़िन, हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन आया है आपके लिए। योगेश मेहरा
Yeah.
आपसे पूछना चाह रहे हैं, कैन यू सजेस्ट सम मोर लैंडमार्क ऑथर्स ऑन दिस सब्जेक्ट?
Oh, well, right off now, I cannot just recollect, but I do have references. I have, so in my book also have some references I've given. There are certain references you can browse. As of now, I cannot recollect any name. It's difficult to recollect all the names at a sudden. So
राइट,
there
राइट।
are references
बट आई
actually.
एम श्योर कि इस जो आपने बुक लिखी है उस सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड आपने काफ़ी रिनाउंड ऑथर्स की आपने बुक्स पढ़ी होंगी या उनका रिसर्च उनकी देखी होंगी, ताकि आप अपनी बुक को रिकलेक्ट कर सकें।
Pardon, I didn't get the question again.
मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि आई एम श्योर आपने जिस सब्जेक्ट पे बुक लिखी है उससे रिलेटेड जो बहुत सारे हमारे ऑथर्स हैं, जो रिनाउंड ऑथर्स हैं, उनकी बुक्स भी आपने रेफरेंस की होगी, देखी होगी, पढ़ी
Yeah,
होगी, और उनके थ्रू
yeah.
या उनसे आइडिया जनरेट होता है, वो चीज़ें लिखते हैं उस बुक में।
Yes, definitely. But my book is absolutely on my perspective. It's not any contribution from anyone. I only take it references and study just to know the subject more. And this book is absolutely on my language. It's my perspective, my experience. I have written this book. It's absolutely
एक
my
और
book.
क्वेश्चन है नाज़िन, हमारे पास एक और क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए। कैन वी अनलर्न व्हाट वी हैव लर्न्ड ड्यूरिंग चाइल्डहुड इजीली?
Yeah, that's why we psychologists are here. We will help you to unlearn all your learned patterns and make you a better person. Definitely, this is possible. There are different therapies for it. We need to first identify what your problem is. Only then we can rectify it. Yeah.
राइट, राइट। सो नाज़िन, आप एक यूट्यूबर भी हैं और आपका एक चैनल है यूट्यूब पर। सो वी रियली वांट टू नो आपका चैनल कैसा है, क्या है और किस बारे में आप वीडियोज़ बनाते हैं? थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए प्लीज़।
Okay, my YouTube channel is on education. I started during 2019. It was completely for a referral because when I approach clients or talk to my trainees and coaches and all, they all have questions in mind because all of them have limitations in life. We all have limitations. We are not superhumans or anything. We all have limitations. So always they all come and tell me, "This is me. This is what I am. Can I able to do it? Will I be able to do it? This is what the society has labeled me as, categorized me as." So all my videos are for them. I use this as a referral for motivating them to improve their self-esteem and make them believe that they can do it. So these all videos which I have shared on my YouTube is absolutely inspiring many, because all these people were true inspirations for themselves and the society. So please go ahead, subscribe my channel. It's a few videos only, but still those all are inspiring. You will learn a lot from all this. So yeah, this is all my channel.
Right.
It's an education channel. It's not monetary based, or it's not entertainment. It's basically education channel. Yeah.
So Nazin, can you please repeat the name of your channel for
It's
audience?
It's Fervido. Even in my book, I have shared the link so you can understand the. There are two links I have shared in the book. One is on the briefing of the book, what is the book is all about, and one is on the neurobics. To I have added these video clippings so that you can understand more, because we all are visual kind of like different kinds of learners are there. So more than descriptive, when you have a video to explain, this will help you to understand the concept better. So I have added my video links in my book, so you can
Okay.
just subscribe to it. Yeah.
श्योर फॉर श्योर नाजिन. सो नाउ नाजिन, अब हम पहुंच गए हैं अपने अगले सेगमेंट की तरफ, और इस
Yeah.
सेगमेंट में मैं आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस करूंगी क्विकली, और आपको उसका क्विकली आंसर देना है. सो शुरू
Okay.
करें?
Yeah, please go ahead.
My first question for you is, what is the real happiness for you?
Real happiness is seeing other people happy.
Okay. Next, नाजिन इमोशनल है या प्रैक्टिकल?
It's practical.
Okay.
Yeah.
Define yourself in one word.
Define
Yourself.
pardon?
In one
Myself.
word.
Zealous. Zealous.
Right, right. When you're stuck somewhere, how do you motivate yourself?
Okay. I have to push myself first. Okay. When I'm stuck, I think there will be a solution ahead. Go ahead, dare it. Being the warrior mindset. That's all.
Okay. All right. Last one is, who is your well-wisher?
Oh my, there are many. I cannot name one. My family comes in first, then my friends, my coaches, and all those people I associate with, all well wishers. Everybody is working towards. It's all always a boost from everyone. Encourage me to do more, and their support is making me do more in life. So I cannot take one name. Everybody is equally a biggest well wisher of mine. Yeah.
Okay, so नाज़िन, यहीं पर ये questions finish होते हैं, and आगे बढ़ते हुए, what kind of response are you getting for your book?
Oh, that's wonderful, actually. I didn't know that people would be so acceptive. I mean, they would be eagerly waiting to hear this book. Because most of them kept asking me why we take this decision, why not we looking for another solution. And I would say this is because of certain reasons. Then they didn't understand what I was trying to tell them. But when I gave them the manuscript of my book, I said, okay, this is because as a psychologist, we can understand what is going through your mind. But for a layman, it is very difficult to make them understand what exactly is they going through. But with this book, I'm able to tell them, give an idea what there exactly is and where they have to be and how they have to. As I said, being adaptable is the best way to take a decision. You have to be, just grow out of the comfort zone, be that reformer, be the leader, be that warrior, be there to take the decision. Be it anything, be the risk taker. Just go ahead and take it. Like, let me quote the words of Nike. Oh, yeah, Nike shoes. Just do it.
Okay. All right. So नाज़िन,
Right.
अगर आज हम में से कोई आपकी बुक परचेज करता है, तो any discount are you availing?
Oh, yeah, of course, I'm giving 25% this today, special discount. Yeah.
Okay.
So
So
people
friends,
can
अगर आप
just
नाज़िन
grab.
की book,
Yeah.
श्योर, अगर आप नाज़िन की बुक परचेज करते हैं, तो इस पर 25% का डिस्काउंट है नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स के लिए. इस बुक को परचेज करने का लिंक हमने आपके साथ शेयर किया है चैट बॉक्स में. आप वहां जाइए, इस पे क्लिक कीजिए और इस बुक को आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. इस बुक की फिजिकल कॉपी खरीदिएगा, मेरा सजेशन है, क्योंकि फिजिकल कॉपी से को पढ़ने का जो मजा है वो मेरे ख्याल से ऑनलाइन नहीं मिलता है. फिजिकल कॉपी खरीदने की कोशिश कीजिए, क्योंकि इसको आप कभी भी कहीं भी पढ़ सकते हैं. शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिली के साथ, और आपके लिए ये बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाली है. Nazin, any contact details you want to share with us?
Yeah, I think the link is shared below. There is my email ID, furvidope@gmail.com, and my number, and my Instagram, furvidope. You can contact me, can share any you after going through the book, any doubts, any clarification you need, any sessions you need, please feel to contact me. I'm there to guide you, and uh, look forward to meet you all. Yeah.
तो फ्रेंड्स, आप अगर नाज़रीन से कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं तो इनकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स हमने आपके साथ शेयर की है, आप प्लीज़ उसको नोट कर लीजिए। आप इनसे गाइडेंस ले सकते हैं, पर्सनली बात कर सकते हैं और इनकी जर्नी के बारे में और भी ज़्यादा जान सकते हैं। नाउ नाज़रीन, बडिंग ऑथर्स के लिए क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे आप, जो आपके जैसे ऑथर बनना चाहते हैं और अपनी जर्नी शुरू कर चुके हैं? उनको क्विक जर्नी फिनिश करने के लिए क्या टिप्स देंगे आप?
Well, if you have an idea, do take a scribble book, write your ideas, make all the bullet points what you want, and talk to people. If you are really keen to publish your book, talk to people, discuss the content with others. You do not say that you are going to publish a book, but just talk about the relevant topic. Then you will get more ideas and write all this down. And once you are sure that okay, this is ready for a book, chapter it, categorize it, then do that mind mapping. And then when you're done, go to a publisher. Once you're done with the manuscripts and everything, go to a publisher, ask for it, and you're set to go. Before that, before you decide on a subject, be sure that you have complete research on it, you worked on it. It's going to be your identity. The book is going to be your identity, so be best with it. Yeah.
Right. Nazin, any future plans regarding your writing?
Oh yes, I do have, and I'm still jotting down all the points.
Okay.
And it's in line. Yeah.
All right. So Nazin, आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Any last message before you leave? आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी, मैसेज देना चाहेंगी हमारी ऑडियंस को?
Message to audience is that please grab your copy and read it, apply it in life. Any doubt, please contact me. All the contact details are given there, and apply it in life. It's not once you read and you will understand the book. You need to reread it, take down notes, apply it in life. Only then it's just like a textbook. It's a non-fiction book. So go ahead with it. And more to people is that travel around the world, meet people. That is important. Just break your boundaries and go beyond your comfort zone. Be adaptable in life. Only that will make you reach better in life. That will only make you think more beyond what you are. So this is from my side, and practice neurobics and live a beautiful, mindful life. Yeah.
Absolutely. Nazin, thank you so much. आपकी ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज के लिए, आपकी इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए जो आपने हमारे साथ की, और आपकी इस बुक को लेकर के मैं बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ जिस तरह से आपने इसको डिस्क्राइब किया है, और सभी क्वेश्चंस के आपने इतने सिंपल वे में आंसर दिया है. ये हम सभी की लाइफ के लिए, जो लोग इनको पढ़ेंगे उसके लिए हेल्पफुल हो सकती है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन हमसे जुड़ने के लिए, बातचीत करने के लिए. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure being here, Charlie.